Hello guys, this is Timber Time from Senda Electronics. Today I will show you our ultra-wide stretched bar screen, and this one is 75-inch floor standing stretched bar kiosk. So firstly, let's take a look at the hardware itself. Usually for this 75-inch stretched bar kiosk, we'll use LG open cell, which gives a brighter display effect as well as the light expand for our product. And you also may see that the bezel of four sides are equal. Yes, we have slim bezel equal sides for this product. And we can also take a look at the real bezel size. Okay, let's take a look. So it's 16 millimeters, and for all sides, it's 16 millimeters. And now let's look at these sides. Okay, let's go on this side. So same width for all bezels. And also you may look at this side. The depth of our kiosk is quite slim, and we may take a look at the real depth of our kiosk. That is 28.68 millimeters around. So you may also look at the rear side of our kiosk. Simplicity is the ideology in our design of our kiosk. For the lower side, so those holes are for heat ventilation, and we have a plastic bag to put the keys of our kiosk inside. And for this interface, here you can see there are two USB slots, RJ45 power cable, and this is the switch. We left one of the holes for antenna in case you will need 3G, 4G LTE for data transmission. Of course, for this interface, it's option, so you can require different interfaces according to your motherboard. And then we may also take a look at the width of the lower side. So just now for the upper side, it's 28.68 millimeters. So how about the lower side? Let's take a look. Okay, it's 82.77 millimeters. So this is the hardware demonstration for you. And now next one we will have the display effect illustration for your eyes. Now let's take a look at the display effect of our 75-inch. For this size, we use 4K panel as well as 4K graphics card. You may take a close look at the resolution of this kiosk. Here I have a simple light meter. Let's check the brightness of this kiosk. Of course, this is not a standard check-in status. But we will take a look at the brightness. We'll try to find a brighter part. And now it's 600 nits. So the design brightness for this kiosk is from 500 nits to 700 nits. It's much more brighter than usual or say normal indoor kiosks or say indoor digital signages, which ranges from 280 nits to 350 nits, depending on the panel size and light matter. Our 75-inch kiosk has been equipped with CMS. Like you see right now, the pattern of the screen has been divided into two parts. So in our CMS, you can divide this screen into different parts. Can be movies, can be one part movie, one part picture, one part TXT. Okay, so the style is diversified according to your request. There are different mounting ways for our stretched bar screen. Right now you see is floor standing, and we can also make billboard type for our stretch bar screen. Besides, you can put this stretch bar screen with wall-mounted rack and then put it on the wall. That is the introduction for our 75-inch ultra-wide stretched bar kiosk. If you like it, please subscribe our channel. We have more introduction of our diversified digital signage products. And you can also share this video with your friends. Have a nice day. Thank you.